SallyAI Reviews, Features, Pricing and Alternative, AnyBiz. Today we delve into SallyAI Reviews, covering its features, pricing, and comparisons with alternatives like AnyBiz.io, ensuring you can make an informed decision. SallyAI automates marketing tasks like lead generation and social media engagement using advanced algorithms, enhancing conversion rates and engagement. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses seeking accessible AI solutions without extensive technical requirements. SallyAI automates marketing campaigns, enhances lead management with comprehensive tracking, nurtures prospects through the sales funnel, offers sophisticated customer segmentation for personalized marketing, provides detailed analytics, and integrates seamlessly with existing business applications. SallyAI does not publicly disclose specific pricing tiers or bundle details on their website. Instead, they encourage potential customers to request a demo, which can make it challenging for businesses to evaluate features and understand pricing without direct engagement. SallyAI automates marketing tasks, enhances productivity with analytics-driven insights, and supports multi-channel engagement. However, challenges include unclear pricing, limited reviews, and the necessity of scheduling a demo for detailed information, which may affect decision-making speed and scalability considerations. The lack of external reviews for SallyAI on platforms like G2 or Capterra makes it challenging for potential users to gauge its performance and reliability, impacting their decision-making process. AnyBiz.io offers comprehensive AI-driven solutions for B2B lead generation, including AI sales agents, IP recognition, automated scheduling, email analytics, personalized landing pages, and brand awareness tools. This makes it a standout choice for businesses seeking advanced automation and strategic capabilities. SallyAI automates digital marketing and CRM tasks with strong analytics and multi-channel support. However, its lack of transparent pricing, detailed reviews, and advanced AI features like AI sales agents and IP recognition may hinder its appeal compared to competitors like AnyBiz.io, which offer more integrated solutions for efficient lead generation and customer engagement. Don't close that window without leaving your mark. Hit like and subscribe to be the first in line for our upcoming releases.